The magic you are looking for is in the work you are avoiding. No, Instagram or Facebook. I was never on Facebook. Instagram was the only thing which I told you now. That's it. So the ranking brings in competition. So when you see your name on top, you feel like, okay, I am doing something. I am doing something. There's progress.
Jai Hind everyone. Welcome back to the new episode of Decoding Success with Saima. बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स बचपन में प्लान करते हैं अपना ड्रीम करियर कि वो बड़े होके सीए बनेंगे, डॉक्टर बनेंगे या XYZ करियर प्लान करते हैं. लेकिन धीरे धीरे जैसे जैसे हम बड़े होते हैं तो बहुत सारी रियलिटीज हमें पता चलती है या सर्कमस्टेंसेस ऐसे रहते हैं कि हमें हमारा जो करियर है वो कहीं ना कहीं स्विच करना पड़ता है या डिसीजन मोड़ना पड़ता है. और ऐसे ही बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स मैंने इंडिया में देखे हैं. जब हम बचपन में कोई ऑफिसर को देखते हैं अथॉरिटी में काम करते हुए तो मन करता है ना कि हाँ इन्हीं की तरह हम काम करेंगे, बड़े होके यही सर की तरह हम बनेंगे. ऐसे बहुत सारे मूवीज में भी मैं देखती हूँ और बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट से वन ऑन वन इंटरेक्ट करते हुए भी मैं ये सुनती हूँ. बट अगेन बड़े होते होते बहुत सारे मिथ्स एंड फैक्ट्स हमें पता चलते हैं. एंड एज इंडियंस हम क्या करते हैं, रियलिटी चेक करने से पहले मिथ्स एंड फैक्ट्स को अपनाते हैं या फिर हमारे दिमाग में उसको घर बनाने देते हैं. लेकिन इसी मिथ्स एंड फैक्ट्स को तोड़ने के लिए मैं आप लोगों से मिल रही हूँ कुछ रियलिटी चेक्स लेके. रियलिटी चेक्स लेके मैं आप लोगों से किस जरिए से मिलूंगी. सो वेलकम बैक टू अनदर एक्साइटिंग एपिसोड ऑफ डिकोडिंग सक्सेस विद साइमा. ये सीरीज एक ऐसा सीरीज है जहाँ पे हम वन बाय वन एक एक स्टूडेंट का या एक एक एस्पिरेंट का ड्रीम करियर उन्होंने कैसे हासिल किया है इसको डिकोड कर रहे हैं. और ऐसे ही एक यंग ब्लड, एक प्राउड अचीवर को आज मैं आप लोगों से इंट्रोड्यूस करने वाली हूँ. सो आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट आवर रीनोन स्टूडेंट मिस्टर डॉल्टन कैरवालो. इन्होंने बचपन में ही ड्रीम करियर प्लान किया था. वैसे इनका पैशन देखा जाए तो स्पोर्ट्स में ज्यादा है और जहाँ पे हमारा पैशन होता है या हॉबी होती है कहीं ना कहीं वहां पे भी हम अपना ड्रीम करियर प्लान करते हैं. लेकिन धीरे धीरे आज ये एक प्राउड अचीवर है. क्या अचीव किया है, कैसे किया है, किस सर्कमस्टेंसेस में किया है, इन्हीं के जुबान से सुनेंगे. सो हाय, दिस इज साइमा शेख, डेप्यूटी चीफ ऑफिसर ऑफ IIKD, इंट्रोड्यूसिंग आवर CCPB स्टूडेंट मिस्टर डॉल्टन कैरवालो.
I'm Dalton Anthony Carvalho, and recently I got selected as an assistant officer in NICL, and I belong to one of the most beautiful cities of Mumbai, that is Vasai, and I'm really glad to share my story with you all today.
Great, Dalton. We are glad that we are having you today here with us. So, Dalton, ये जर्नी शुरू कैसे हुई? मतलब as a student, you are BCom student, commerce? BAF student, मतलब कॉमर्स से लिया है आपने और BAF student. So, आपने BAF लिया ही इसलिए था क्योंकि आपको बैंकिंग, अकाउंटेंसी या फिर इंश्योरेंस सेक्टर में जाना था, या फिर कैसे आपकी जर्नी NICL तक कैसे रही है?
Mostly it was because of the influence. Like I used to like watching stock charts, trading, candlestick patterns, all that. So I thought I should go for BAF, that is accounting and financing, because through that there were many streams. Also investment banking was one of my options. Then I did that. I got selected. I did many courses as well in college. One of those were stock trading, then fundamental analysis, then boot camps, a lot of those stuff. So I was happy with that. But then I passed out. Then we had COVID. So during COVID, all the online examinations, it was like a piece of cake for us. So we just passed those exams. But the knowledge that we would have got in the 6th and 5th sem was not imparted to us at that level. So it was just online classes and it was not that impactful for us, and we could tell the difference because the first 4 sems were way better because we would have practical knowledge. Like the faculty in the colleges, they would actually really put on those stock charts and let us know, okay, this is how it's going, the patterns. So you can invest now, you can sell those stocks. We would know that. But in the 5th and 6th sem, we couldn't do anything like that. It was just online classes. And now, because it was a COVID batch, our sir told us that you all better get so good in something that you don't have to be under the title that you're from the COVID batch. And he would tell us that during job vacancies, they actually mention that it's the COVID batch and please don't apply.
Yeah.
So that was something. So we had to obviously look out for something else or get better in finance. So as those courses that during COVID, then I did many coding courses as well, HTML. Then I tried for Java as well because of the gaming industry.
Okay.
Then I got a call from IIKD. Okay, that's when my mom spoke to y'all, and then we had an appointment. The interview and everything was done. Then I waited for because of the impact that we didn't get during online classes. I waited for offline classes in IIKD.
Right.
Then that was a week later, and then the faculty told us that you can join now. So my first class was reasoning. I even remember that. That's how memorable this has been.
Okay. So ये बोल सकते हैं कि this career is a destiny career for you because you did not search for this career but rather you got a call, है ना, सामने से call आया मम्मी को, and then I think the counselors invited the students because we have a pattern जहाँ पे वैसे विराट बेल्ट में क्या हो रहा है आजकल, मैंने पहले भी आपसे शेयर किया है, बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स बनना चाहते हैं लेकिन आइडिया नहीं होता, अवेयरनेस नहीं होता है. रादर मैं अप्रिशिएट करूंगी हमारे नॉर्थ इंडिया साइड के क्राउड को जहाँ पे बहुत सारा अवेयरनेस है, वहाँ पे वो पेशेंस है और बहुत अच्छे से वो इस चीज़ को कवर करते हैं या फिर इस चीज़ का सक्सेस हासिल करते हैं. बट वो चीज़ हमने यहाँ पे मिसिंग देखी है. एंड सो हमारा ये पैटर्न रहा है हमेशा से कि हम एटलीस्ट स्टूडेंट को अवेयर करेंगे, उनको काउंसलिंग में इन्वाइट करेंगे, एंड देन जब वो अवेयर हो जाते हैं देन इट्स देयर चॉइस कि उनको ये करना है या नहीं. And the same way, I think Dalton got invited here at IIKD, and then after counseling, he made a decision. And then because वो time online चल रहा था चीजें, तो he did not wanted to join online, and then he waited for offline courses to start, and then within 1 week, we got Dalton into the classroom. So Dalton, as we can see कि आपका पहले से ये ड्रीम करियर नहीं था, तो अचानक से पता चलता है तो भी बहुत टाइम लगता है खुद को इस चीज में मनाने में कि हाँ मैं ये कर लूंगा या मैं कर सकता हूँ. तो ऐसा कुछ आपके साथ हुआ या फिर यू गॉट इजीली कन्विंस्ड कि हाँ ये हो जाएगा मुझसे ऐसा?
This is something new that I got to know from my mom, and my mom got to know from you all, okay, from the student care. So obviously it's something new and you can't accept it that soon. So then I thought about this. My mom was like, we had a discussion. My dad had a discussion with me. He was like, do you want to really do this? I thought about it. I researched about it. And I got to know about the perks and everything, you know, the respect you get in society. So I thought, why not give it a try? So that's how I joined it.
Okay, so soon after joining, मतलब आपने जब शुरू किया ये जर्नी, तब से लेके आपका जो पहला एग्जाम क्लियर हुआ, इसके बीच का टाइम कितना रहा?
I think it was 1 year.
1 year. मतलब it took 1 year for you to crack one exam.
Fully absorb the knowledge that I was getting because it was new. I wasn't that sure, and you know, you kind of neglect the faculties might tell you do this, you do it not to an extent where you feel we'll get the exams this year itself. It takes time. That's how the youth are now. So I was one of those. That's why it took 1 year. Otherwise, I would have done it way sooner.
Yeah.
But just absorbing that knowledge and, you know, utilizing it in the exams took some time for me.
Yes. So if you're not serious, you know, it will take 1 year or maybe more than that. But if you're serious, if you're confident, and if you're dedicated, so we have seen students cracking this within 4 months, 5 months, and 6 months. And definitely Dalton had that potential. But इनका जो passion towards one sport, है ना? Every time when we had weekend classes, हम इनको missing देखते थे, and पता चला later on कि he has a passion for one sport, which is that sport? Football. And ये बहुत फुटबॉल की क्रेजी फैन है. सो ये जर्नी कैसे बैलेंस किया आपने, यू नो, अ पैशन व्हिच यू हैव टुवर्ड्स फुटबॉल? कभी ऐसा आया मन में कि हाँ मैं फुटबॉलर भी बन सकता हूँ आगे?
हाँ, तो when you play the sport, you look at your idols and whoever you follow. I don't going to take any side, but you try to be like them, how their lifestyle is. Although you can't like replicate it because it's a different lifestyle and ours is different based on the country and everything, but you feel like you can do this, you know. You look at them playing, you see their journey, how they were like from rags to riches. Most of the stories are the same for footballers. So it was a dream to be a footballer, but also through banking, the thing is that once you get in a bank, they also have teams.
Right.
They have football teams, their own football teams, like Bank of Maharashtra has one, SBI has one. So through that, if anybody is looking towards it, they can get through it. There's not just football, there are more sports as well. Kabaddi, cricket, all these sports are there. So it's still open for me.
Okay. So once you get into banking sector especially. So you have an option that you can get into sports also. All right. सो डॉल्टन, आपके लिए सबसे ज्यादा मुश्किल स्टेप कहाँ पे था? आई मीन द डिफिकल्ट सब्जेक्ट्स फॉर यू वर?
I would like to quote something. The quote goes this way: the magic you are looking for is in the work you are avoiding. So that what I would like to explain is that was general awareness for me and a bit of reasoning, because quants and English was something I was interested in, like the calculations. So as I saw that the calculations were not that tough for me, so as I went through all the questions, I was really pally with it. English as well, because I speak English. I used to watch movies, from my childhood, so I was used to it. But reasoning was something you have to look at, like the mains questions, especially, and general awareness. So I used to I can't say neglect it, but I should not practice it as much as I used to practice quants and English. So generally, it is that you like something and you keep practicing the same thing because you feel good. Yeah, I'm doing something. I'm doing my progress in these subjects. But the two subjects were not like a hurdle, but something I should have paid attention to all together, comprehensively, all the four subjects. So that was reasoning and general awareness.
Yes, and ये एक लेसन है उन सबके लिए. अगेन मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ, बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स जीए को निग्लेक्ट करते हैं, बोलते हैं कि पहले प्री क्लियर करेंगे, मैथ्स इंग्लिश रीजनिंग पे फोकस करके, एंड देन जब नेक्स्ट स्टेप होगा देन विल स्टार्ट द प्रिपरेशन फॉर जीए. सो ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए. आई थिंक ये हमारे 5th and 6th स्टूडेंट हैं जो ऐसा बोल रहे हैं. सो सुन लो और अभी से प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट करो, बिकॉज उसमें क्या होता है, आपको टर्म्स हैं, बहुत सारी चीजें आप यूज टू होने लगते हो वो कंटेंट से, एंड देन लेटर ऑन आपके लिए वो डिफिकल्ट नहीं रहता है. सो डॉल्टन, अभी जो आपका अब अर्ली 20s में हो, सो पढ़ाई और पैशन फुटबॉल, इन सब के अलावा भी और बहुत सारे डिस्ट्रैक्शंस होते हैं, स्पेशली मे बी अर्ली 20s में जो स्टूडेंट्स ग्रो करते हैं उनके लिए. वो आपके लिए आपका सोशल मीडिया हो सकता है, आपका फ्रेंड सर्कल हो सकता है, या फिर आपका अट्रैक्शन टुवर्ड्स एनीबॉडी और एनीथिंग हो सकता है. सो ऐसा कुछ हुआ था, एंड हुआ था तो कैसे मैनेज किया आपने?
Attraction, it was just mostly towards my sport, because like if I skip that would mean something is important. Okay, so मैं सिर्फ फुटबॉल के लिए, generally if you would see me, I would be playing somewhere. Anyway, you would see me other than classes भी मैं skip करके चले जाता था खेलने के लिए. I was aware. So I used to go for the sport. Then I used to roam around as well. Like there are many grounds. So generally we have practice matches within the areas. Like if you stay in Chulna, then Chulna versus Tamtala, we had those matches. So we used to play there. So you generally don't find me loitering around anywhere. If you see me or on the ground or something, or even we used to play on streets, because that's something you learn through your childhood, right? Even those experiences where the ball goes below the car and all that, you can see those YouTube videos as well, where you you reminisce those things. So that was my distraction. Then social media, no. I was there because during college we would have our college banners and everything. So because I had done a bit of coding, they used to give me to handle the site as well, the website. So I used to just add pictures and all that. Sometimes the color tint is different, something. So I used to help in that, because it was not just the bookish knowledge I wanted to learn. So as I used to sit with like many people, not just one person every day, because they were there in the college way before than I was. Mm-hmm. They were there from 11th and 12th, and I joined in FY. Mm-hmm. So I got to know what I can do, just be a student or do more. Mm-hmm. So I had to do more. So I wanted to do more. So I used to do that. They used to tell me that you do this for the website, it's fine, because it was not like you would get something, but you'd get your knowledge, you would understand, okay, this is how it works. It helps you in the later practices. Like for example, you handle a team, then it helps you when you're a bank PO. You have a team there. Even if it's a clerk, you're a clerk, you understand that how to behave as a person, as a team player, not make it tough for the leader, right? You make it easier for the leader. So that's how I learned what I learned from college, one of the things. Then social media was mostly because we had those websites, and second thing was generally you, like if you want to do in the Indian market and all that, stocks etc., then you can do that, but the knowledge where our search is to impart was mostly in the foreign markets. So for those candlesticks and all that knowledge, we used to follow those accounts on Instagram, which our search used to follow. So that was the only thing, follow the college account, and we were actually forced to do it. Like you have to do this, even if you have an account like just for your friends, etc., your family, but you need to follow this because then the algorithm changes and you get all those posts. So that was the only thing for social media. Even now I'm not on social media, so it's just WhatsApp. That's because of the messages.
No Instagram, no
No,
Facebook.
no Instagram, no Facebook. I was never on Facebook. Instagram was the only thing which I told you now. That's
Yeah.
it.
नाइस सो ये भी सीखने के लिए मिलता है दैट इफ यू आर फोकस्ड इनफ देन आपको ये डिस्ट्रैक्शन एक्चुअली डिस्ट्रैक्शन की तरफ फील नहीं होते हैं एंड रादर इसमें वो आपको नॉलेज दिखता है, आपको यू नो वैल्यूएबल कंटेंट दिखता है. सो ये एक बहुत ही अच्छी चीज है जो मुझे पता चली दैट डॉल्टन इज नॉट ऑन सोशल मीडिया एंड ही हैज नेवर यूज्ड सोशल मीडिया फॉर अदर एंटरटेनमेंट पर्पसेस, राइट? ऑलराइट, सो व्हाट वाज द मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट टाइम फॉर यू जो आपको रियलाइज हुआ while preparing for banking sectors or insurance sectors? So what was the most difficult time for you?
The first year was where I understood that what I need to do, but you can always upgrade your strategy. So the first year I just cleared my prelims examination, and that time I was happy. But that's not the end, right? You need to clear the mains as well, and also if you're doing for a PO or an officer level job, so you have to clear the interviews and whatever activities they conduct. So the first year was okay, but this as the second, third year comes, you feel like, well, like this is not it. You have to do more,
Yeah.
so that you get more. So then the second and third year was tough. Then I changed a lot of strategies. But even that time, I used to not study GA that much. General awareness was something I used to always skip. You would say more lectures of the three main subjects. See, even now I said it that those are the three main subjects. But GA is actually a game changer, and English. But English, because I was pally with and I was tech savvy and everything, so I would know about it. But general awareness, it not only helps you in the examination, but also during debates or public speaking. Once you put these points, the person who is appointed to mark you, like give you the marks, he understands that okay, he is aware about it, not just bookish knowledge, or he's not just mugged up something and he's here. He knows about what's happening in the world, in the country itself, national affairs and everything. So that's something I like. Then second and third year was tough, and fourth year I got myself together, and then here are the results now.
Okay, nice. nice. And who was the person जो आपकी फैमिली से सबसे ज्यादा आपको मोटिवेट करते रहते थे, जो आपके पर्सनल सर्कल में हैं? ऐसे कौन से पर्सन है जिन्होंने आपको बहुत मोटिवेट किया है?
Personal circle is just my mom and dad. Okay, so my mom and dad knew about this, and they were like, they knew about this, and when they shared it with others, even there are always people on two sides. One is like, okay, it takes time, and some people it takes time, so be patient. So there's a difference in this dialect. So that's something they would hear. So there are people who would tell them that be patient, it's fine, it takes time. Like it depends on the person. Some people can do it within 6 months, some take years. So I was the one with the years. But it was never like they pressurized me or anything. They were always there. Like, okay, you have passed this. But after some time, they won't say anything, but you feel it. That why am I not clearing the examination? You can always blame somebody else. But once you blame yourself, you understand where you stand. So that's the thing. So when I did this, they're always supportive, just my mom and dad. Nobody else. Because why should I even let the people who are not going through it tell me what I should do, right? They know what I'm going through, what I'm doing, how I'm doing well. They could see the marks, etc. But obviously they would not feel that good because I'm not clearing the mains examination. So you always take the advice from people who know what you're doing or who have done it, not from people who have not done it. Why would you hear that? Listen to what they want to speak.
Exactly.
That's it.
And this is the same thing जो हम बोलते रहते हैं कि जिन्होंने आपको आपकी जर्नी थ्रू आउट नहीं देखी है, तो मतलब जैसे हम सजेस्ट करते हैं कि किसकी सुननी चाहिए और किसकी नहीं सुननी चाहिए, इसी चीज़ को बहुत ही अच्छे से इन्होंने इलैबोरेट किया है. सो मैं उस पर वापस नहीं जाना चाहूँगी. ओके, सो योर फैमिली कंसिस्ट ऑफ ओनली दीज टू पीपल, सिबलिंग्स? व्हाट अबाउट सिबलिंग्स?
No siblings.
So you are
Just
the
me.
only child? ऑलराइट. सो ओनली चाइल्ड होने का और एक ये भी रहता है, फायदे तो बहुत सारे रहते हैं बट और एक प्रेशर भी रहता है. सो डिड यू फील एनी टाइम वो वाला प्रेशर के आई एम द ओनली पर्सन, द मैन ऑफ द हाउस मे बी, सो आने वाले इतने टाइम में तो मुझे ये करना ही है, ऐसा कुछ प्रेशर कभी फील हुआ?
That's always there, and you don't need to feel it, but you always know it.
Right.
Like even if there's a sibling or something, but the sibling can always take up, no? Sometimes it's like the young person who's younger, that person takes up everything because the elder person may not be doing, or he's busy with his studies.
Right.
The younger person has to be the elder person actually in the house. So it was just me, and I didn't feel the pressure anytime. I just knew that I have to do it. So my parents, right, they are doing so much, so it's not like a barter system, but you know that you have to give back, right, to the family as well and to others who have helped you. So that's my only.
So ये वाला जो फीलिंग होता है कि नहीं मुझे करना ही है, एंड अकेले होने का होता है बिकॉज इवन आई एम अलोन, सो एक होता है कि नो मुझे ये चीजें करनी है. सो हैव यू एनी टाइम थॉट अबाउट कि मैं एक बार प्राइवेट में भी जॉब कर लेता हूँ, थोड़ा सा फाइनेंशियल हेल्प हो जाएगी और एनीथिंग लाइक दैट?
During COVID, I had done many internships. So it was like I knew what I was getting into if I did private jobs. So, but it was before I even did that, I got a call from IIKD. So maybe you can call it a save or something. But yeah, I like.
Nice. IIKD saved Dalton. Nice. So Dalton, आपने भी एक ही चीज टारगेट की थी जब आपको पता चल गया था आफ्टर काउंसलिंग कि हाँ ये चीजें हैं जिसमें मैं अप्लाई कर सकता हूँ. सो वैसे में भी बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं ना, प्लान करते हैं दैट ओनली आई वांट टू गो फॉर SBI PU एंड आई एम गोइंग टू क्रैक दैट ओनली. सो ऐसा कुछ प्लानिंग करके एक ही चीज टारगेट की थी या ऐसे और भी एग्जाम्स आपने दिए?
There was no specific target. Only target was that I want a job in the government sector. Okay, so I wouldn't do that. What some students do it. Okay, that's their lookout. So like they'll target one exam and other exams they won't try. But as you give the examinations, like SBI PO is on the top, you know it. Like the level is a different level. So if you prepare for SBI PO, you can clear the other examinations. That's what they say. But why not try your luck? Like try, see how much you are prepared, where you stand.
Right.
Even Sham sir tells us that once you give the examinations, you understand where you stand, and then you can prepare for the next examination.
Right.
So why not do that? So I tried all the examinations. There was no particular specific examination, because now you clear an examination, and then as you're working, as you're preparing for the other examination, you're even earning and you're gaining experience at what I would need to do. If you're a clerk, you understand how to on the clerical level, what's your job. So if you can always take internal promotions, right? So but if you do it directly at a PO level, if you have experience and if you're that tough, you can do it. Obviously there are some people who can't do it, who can't handle the pressure, but after preparing for so long, clearing the examinations, if you can't handle the pressure, that's not something you would like, and it doesn't feel good by yourself. So why not do it through a clerk level? It's my way. So you do it on a clerk level, then you understand as you move ahead, as you become a senior clerk or you pass the examinations of JIB, KAIB, all that. So you know, okay, this is my job where I need to end, so that you don't interfere with the leader's job, what he has. Right. So then you do it directly on a post probationary officer level. You might feel the pressure a little bit. Some people might not. But as you do it through a clerk, you're earning as well, you're preparing, you're gaining experience. So that's a package for you, right? Yeah. So I didn't target any specific examination.
Yeah, and करना भी नहीं चाहिए. So यही चीज़ है जो आप लोगों तक पहुंचानी थी, because government is releasing so many exams for you people, है ना, for young graduates, for undergraduates also. लेकिन अगर आप एक ही चीज़ टारगेट करोगे तो आपका जो एम होगा वो बहुत ही छोटा रह जाएगा. So यही चीज़ बस मुझे इनसे पूछनी थी और आप लोगों तक पहुंचानी थी. So Dalton, now what is NICL?
NICL is an insurance company. It's one of those 3 companies where they are too big to fail, and if they fail, then our insurance economy is toast. So one of those is LIC, then is GIC, and then is NICL. So insurance is a sector as well. Like it's not about the pressure, but you gain experience in all the scenarios. Right. Like insurance, you know about insurance. Banking, you know about banking, what's happening. So why not even clear that examination? That was my mindset. So I need to clear this examination. So I have, and it's an insurance company. It's new, I would say, but there are many mergers, etc. happening in the future, might happen as well. But it's a good company to gain experience and knowledge, as well as there are a lot of promotions, etc. That's not my only thing to see, but you can always take
the experience.
Take the experience in different sectors.
Yeah, and also they are paying good. They are also paying good. मतलब सारी चीजें जो आप चाहते हो कि प्रमोशन होना चाहिए, अच्छा पे होना चाहिए, है ना, अच्छा पोजीशन होना चाहिए, वर्क हेक्टिक नहीं होना चाहिए, तो ये सारी चीजें हैं. ऑलराइट, सो व्हाट was the thing in IIKD which helped you a lot to crack so many exams? Because as Dalton didn't mention, but Dalton ने more than 16 plus exams इन्होंने clear किए हैं, which includes pre and mains both, है ना? So what helped you in IIKD a lot that you cracked so many exams?
That was the CASME methodology.
Yeah.
One of those things, and the first thing is the faculty. Like if you connect with the faculty, you can prepare well. It's not just that, but the way they share the knowledge, the way the classes are held, the examinations. After some time, you feel like in the start you feel like, why is there an examination every second week? But then that's because in the other days there are activities which I used to not take part in the start.
Yeah.
I used to skip and go to play football.
Yeah.
It's okay. So then later on I understood that okay, that's something I should be doing because of it's not only for you for the job, but how you get shaped as a person through these activities.
Okay.
So there are many there's a team, I would say, who looks into it and selects the topic. Like there's Sagar sir, he's like, there's any problem in the marks or anything, a mark system, that we used to go to him like, sir, aisa hai, and he would actually tell us that aisa ho jayega, it will be rectified, and then our marks would increase and we'll be happy. So because there's a ranking, so the ranking brings in competition. So when you see your name on top, you feel like, okay, I am doing something. There's progress. So then the faculties as well, like if we didn't do well, they would call us that's something different in this institution. Like they would call us and tell us that what's your lookout on these problems, and if we can't explain ourselves what the problem is and what we will do to improve ourselves, they would assist us in that. There are many faculties, all the 3 subjects, even GA. Now they have 2 teachers, different faculties for general awareness. So that there's no difference, I would say, but it's because of the students who are experienced and who are just novice. So that's something you don't see in all the institutions. That's something that is there in IIKD as well.
Yeah, so Dalton ने तो कहीं ना कहीं इंटरनली सारी चीजें शेयर कर दी, एंड राइटली सेड कि हमारे पास इंस्टीट्यूट में बहुत सारे लोग हैं एक स्टूडेंट के ऊपर इंडिविजुअली अटेंशन पे करने के लिए, एंड एज इट इज सेड कि सक्सेस कोई एक पर्सन टोटली अचीव नहीं कर सकता अगर आजू बाजू में वो एनवायरनमेंट या उस तरह के सपोर्टिव लोग ना हो तो. सो डेफिनेटली वी हैव डिफरेंट फैकल्टीज फॉर डिफरेंट सब्जेक्ट्स, देन वी हैव काउंसलर्स. टाइम एंड अगेन काउंसलिंग बहुत जरूरी है एस्पिरेंट्स को. सो द पर्सन जो सोचते हैं कि घर से तैयारी हो रही है, सो मार्क माई वर्ड्स के इस तरह का सपोर्ट आपको रिक्वायर्ड रहता है. देन जैसे इन्होंने बताया कि वी हैव स्पेशली स्टूडेंट के डिपार्टमेंट, एंड आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक योर मॉम एज वेल बिकॉज शी हैज बीन द मोस्ट कोऑपरेटिव पर्सन. बिकॉज हर टाइम डॉल्टन के गुड्स एंड बैड्स में हम उनसे बात करते थे, एंड शी यूज्ड टू बी वेरी कोऑपरेटिव. एंड डॉल्टन से कम और शायद मेरी भी इनकी मम्मी से ज्यादा बात हुई है. सो उस तरह का सपोर्ट मैंने इनके पेरेंट का देखा है टुवर्ड्स हिम एंड टुवर्ड्स हिज ट्रेनिंग द प्रोसेस. सो ये सारी चीजें होना बहुत जरूरी है, एंड ऑफ कोर्स योर डेडिकेशन एज वेल बिकॉज डॉल्टन वाज ऑलवेज डेडिकेटेड. वो बात अलग है कि लेटर ऑन उनको कुछ चीजें रियलाइज हुई, जैसे एक्टिविटीज है ना, डिबेट है, ग्रुप डिस्कशन है, बहुत सारे एक्टिविटीज हम ग्रुप ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स के साथ करते हैं. And the person he mentioned, Sagar sir, he looks after the strategy and the management. He looks after the training and development team, and he is the deputy chief officer of IIKD. So everything is strategized by, of course, the founder of IIKD. उनसे मुझे याद आता है आपका बैच. You belong from which batch, Dalton?
I belong to the DSP batch, where the director of the IIKD, that is Mr. Shyam Rahul, he looks into it very minutely, what the marks, the attempts we make. So now recently there was a SBI clerk mains examination. So Mr. Shyam Rahul, he analyzed all the last recent 3 years, all the attempts that were needed for all the 4 subjects. So that helped us as well. So we would know what we need to do and how we would prepare for the examination. So the next thing is, we would also conduct LST lectures, which are the skills we need in our life. Not only just bookish knowledge, but he would share his experiences, what he has done, how he has worked, where he has worked. It helped us a lot. Then he would also have the analysis of our attempts are marks. Like if we have examinations every second week in IIKD, so we would see, he would tell us like our marks are dropping or no, or is increasing or is it stagnant. So he would tell us, he would have the topper name in all the subjects, GA as well. That will help us a lot. He, like, there's any examination, you can ask him and he knows the attempts and everything. He just has his research with him. Okay, so that's how it helped us.
Yeah, so the analytical person बहुत जरूरी है, ऐसे कोई होना, 2 से 3 लोग होना जो इतना डीप एनालिसिस दे सके. एंड SBI क्लब का जो सक्सेस स्टोरी है हमारा, that at a time more than 42 students have cleared that, है ना, the SBI क्लब pre, and उसमें से 30 students या around 28 students तो ऐसे थे जिनका first attempt था. So definitely this has been possible only because of Shyam sir, the analytical team, the faculties of course, and the strategy making person, and of course the student care team. So Dalton, now this is not the finishing line, right? You are preparing for more, मतलब दोगे exams banking वगैरह के अभी और?
Yes, I will. Abhi NICL is, like I said, you are gaining experience, you are earning money as well, and then you can work towards other scenarios where other sectors as well. So I won't stop on this. This is no, you never settle.
Yeah.
So that's something I live by.
And this is the statement, of course, Shyam sir says a lot कि आपको कभी satisfy नहीं होना है या settle नहीं होना है. And so you also have one big advantage as you are an IIKDian, that is lifelong validity. And इसके पहले की जो स्टूडेंट्स ने शेयर भी किया है, एट अ टाइम उन्होंने बहुत सारे एग्जाम्स क्लियर किए, एंड देन ऑल्सो आप एक पर्सन से मिलोगे जिन्होंने ऑलरेडी एक क्रैक करके वहाँ पे जॉब करके अनदर क्रैक किया है, एंड देन नाउ ही इज गोइंग टू गेट इनटू दैट जॉब. सो द सेम सिनेरियो कैन बी रिपीटेड फॉर यू एज वेल. आज मैं NICL AO का इंटरव्यू दे रही हूँ, हो सकता है इन फ्यूचर आई कैन सी SBI PO or maybe RBI grade B officer, right?
Definitely.
So yeah, definitely. So Dalton, let's have some rapid fire questions.
Sure.
Let's see कि ये इस rapid fire को कैसे we don't have hamper for you, but we have lifelong validity, and we have a lot many things for you here in IIKD. So let's start with it. So Dalton, coffee or chai during late night study sessions?
Coffee.
Coffee, okay. Notes on paper or digital apps?
Digital apps.
Oh, early bird or night owl?
Both.
Both, nice. One subject you hated but had to study?
Nothing like that. I just understood the importance later on.
Okay. Last minute cramming or steady preparation?
Both work for me.
Both work for you, nice. Checked the admit card 10 times or forgot it once?
10 times.
Okay. Did you carry any lucky charm at any time, like favorite shirt, pen, ring or anything?
No. Never.
No, okay. Worst exam hall horror story? I mean, noisy fan or forgot a pen or forgot a document or something?
No, just the other aspirants were a little irritating.
Irritating,
Yeah.
okay. So first thing you did after walking out of the exam hall?
Always call my parents and let them know about my attempts and how the exam went. That's it.
Yeah. And the next call?
No, that's it.
Okay. Parents comparing you to others, I mean, annoying or motivating?
Never did, but it's you can always look towards others and be better
Yeah.
by yourself. Don't need others to tell you that.
Nice. Okay. So one thing you won't miss about preparation days?
I won't miss about.
Huh?
No, there's nothing like that. I will miss it.
Nothing. Okay. Celebrity you'd want as your study buddy?
Study
And
buddy. Not study buddy, but the lifestyle would be Cristiano Ronaldo.
Oh, nice. Okay. So rate your handwriting during exams. 1 to 10. I mean, Dr. Level or it's neat?
8.
8? Neat, I mean, a little late. Okay. So would you relieve the preparation phase for 1 crore rupees?
Yeah.
For 1 crore?
Just for free as well.
Okay.
Yeah, because I liked it. It helped me grow as well. So it's not like something I don't like, but I would do it again.
Okay. So one best piece of advice you have ever got, and from whom?
As this is a quote again, but that it goes in this manner: life is always meant to be lived forward, but only makes sense backwards. So it's the experiences that you understand later on why you experience. Like if I even took this much time to pass the examination, it's always irritating and it's demotivating. But later on in life, you understand, okay, this was the time where I had to gain all the knowledge that I need for the post and the stage I am in life now, right now, in the future. When you are in a point, you understand, when you look back, you understand that, okay, these are the experiences I needed, which were necessary for me to go through. And that's why
So this is the advice you have got from?
This is from my dad.
From your dad. Okay. So coming back to your family background, what does your dad do?
He's in many businesses as well, but now he's working in a manufacturing company.
He's working there?
Yeah, he's working there.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. And you have cousins also, right?
Yeah, I have cousins.
So what are they doing right now?
Now, one of my cousins is a doctor, and they are in London. And the others are in Mumbai as well. Even they are mostly in CA or something, and they are in private jobs as well. That's
All
it.
right. You have any favorite cousin of yours?
No, nothing like that. It's okay.
And they are going to watch it. Okay. And your best friend?
My parents, I would say. Yeah,
No
because
best
no best friends, fine.
All right. Okay. Okay. One thing you like most about your college? From which college you belong?
I was from St. Andrews College.
St. Andrews.
Yes, from
Nice.
Bangalore.
Okay. And the best thing about that college is?
Not only bookish knowledge, but other activities which helped me shape myself.
Okay. And did you do any of them?
Yeah, I would. Like I said, I would handle the website as well. Then we had
Okay,
many
that
seminars.
is- okay.
In the auditorium that we had seminars where celebrities would be there. So we would learn how to interact with them, how to get them on stage as well. You know, we need to speak through people so that they can come for the event. And that's how I learned many things.
So St. Andrews was your junior college and degree college both?
No, only degree college. My
Only
junior
degree.
college was Thomas Baptist Junior College.
TB College
Papri.
here in Vasai. Okay. And you belong from which school?
St. Augustine's High School.
Okay. That is also in Vasai.
Yes.
Nice. And then the journey starts at IITD,
Yes.
right? All right. Thank you so much, Dalton. It was pleasure having you here with us. And बहुत सारी valuable information आपने share की. Young blood से इतना deep psychological analysis हमें मिला है. So definitely throughout the podcast it was in English and so आपका एक check point भी है कि नहीं, डेफिनेटली इट वाज वेरी इजी लैंग्वेज, सो आपको सबको समझा होगा. एंड इसी तरह से जुड़े रहिए इस सीरीज के साथ, बिकॉज बैक टू बैक वी आर गोइंग टू डिकोड सक्सेस ऑफ मेनी एस्पिरेंट्स हु आर वर्किंग नाउ और हु आर गोइंग टू अटेंड मोर एग्जाम्स इन फ्यूचर. सो इनसे पूछने के लिए अगर आपके मन में कोई क्वेश्चन है, डेफिनेटली आते हैं, हमसे अगर कुछ मिस हुए हैं, सो प्लीज ड्रॉप दैट इन कमेंट सेक्शंस बिलो, सो मैं आगे उनसे कवर करूं या फिर इनको रिटर्न अगर इफ वी कैन हैव देम, डेफिनेटली, बिकॉज बाकी स्टूडेंट्स के लिए भी ये एक मोटिवेशन है. And okay, any one piece of advice you want to give to your batch now? You have your batch now preparing.
Just follow the advice that the faculty is giving you. All the faculties as well as the student care and etc. Like they might get after you for not attending activities. So attend them. You can do it way sooner and you'll learn many things as well. Even Shyam sir would have his like the lectures where he would come and impart his knowledge and he would motivate you in a way, let you know that you need to be disciplined. So please listen to them and it would help you a lot.
He is a life skill trainer and a mentor of more than 25,000 plus students, and of course the mentor of me as well. All right, so Dalton, how much are you going to miss your DSP batch?
A lot. Because of the competitiveness that I had, and we had it. Like I said, the ranking would be displayed in every branch. So
yes, in every branch we have 3 branches. तीनों branch में display होता था, and also we used to appreciate the ones getting into top. And then Dalton was always on top 3. Top 3 में मैं हमेशा इनको देखती थी. Nice. So काफ़ी मज़ा आया डॉल्टन के साथ आज बात करके, एंड डेफिनेटली हम इनसे फिर मिलेंगे मे बी फ्यूचर बेस्ट और जो करियर्स इन्होंने अपने लिए डिसाइड किए उसको जब ये अचीव कर लेंगे तब, और फिर हम वापस इनका वो सक्सेस रिकॉर्ड करेंगे. एंड इतनी मेहनत की है हमने आप लोगों से मिलने के लिए या आप लोगों से मिलवाने के लिए, सो एक लाइक तो बनता है. सो डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक द वीडियो, शेयर दिस विद एवरीवन, and also do subscribe the channel. with pressing bell icon of course, so that हम आपको time to time notify करते रहेंगे. Thank you.